friends are going to Miami without me.
Alright, say hi to the vlog.
Ew, there's somebody walking in the street.
Oh, yes. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh my god. So the airport is dead. I wonder why. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. The airport is so dead. I don't even know if the bar is still open. Oh, this is a banging bar. Oh my gosh. This thing. Okay, my hoodie definitely was not on.
Yeah.
Oh, did you put yours under your hair?
Yeah, it's actually a little bit more relaxing.
Oh, okay, that's the thing. I look so goofy.
Ain't never lied.
Where's my hair? Okay. All right, last words before flight.
Miami.
Okay, so we got you a gift. It's mostly for you and a little bit for us.
Okay.
Throw it.
Throw it.
Woo!
Yay!
Oh, these are so cute.
Yeah!
Should it cut? Let's see it. The full picture.
Oh my god! Show it off. Yes!
What? You all knew about this?
Yes!
What? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
It's a Shannon turn up!
Yay! I cannot! Who does this?
We do this.
We do this! I think I spit all over this one.
So that's yours. I'm gonna have the mini one.
There's a
See the
mini
mini?
one. And they're pink. I can't.
Oh.
They're so cute.
Oh, they get smaller and smaller?
Okay, wait. I have to line this up. This is so
No, they don't
funny.
get smaller.
Yeah,
Look at the size.
There were 2 little baby ones. I had to add some extra baby
does
ones
this?
in. I love.
Guys moves over.
Right?
I was like, dang, she's
Wait, you know what I realized? Like, even your hand is in there.
I know, like my little...
She did it.
Who did this?
One of my, like, good friends from Florida, actually.
This is so funny. Can I make this like my YouTube?
I got extras for you.
Sometimes I'm mystery, sometimes I'm free, depending on my mood, on my attitude. Sometimes I wanna roll or stay at home, walking contradiction.
I just threw my whole Instagram. Cheers! Oh, thank you.
I'm always left to center, and it's right where I belong. I'm a random mind, and don't you hear it, major songs, and I like that.
You're all getting in position. Meanwhile, Alexa's all fixing her lashes.
Baby.
That's what I'm telling you.
Oh my
I
gosh,
may or may not be starting to fall in love with Miami, and we haven't really.
I mean, it's been a good morning.
No, we've seen. My God, my toes are ashy. This is not good when you're like tipsy. Okay, we just left the beach and now we're headed to Nikki Beach. And everyone's all cute. People in Miami act like they've never seen black people before, but that's okay.
Here, let me get some of these. Yeah, it's so nice.
Where to go? I found it. It just fell out.
Is it Merc or Sadie's?
Did you hear somebody go?
Yeah, definitely.
What did they say?
They were just yelling at our beauty.
Okay, now, ladies.
The longest Uber ever.
It's the traffic.
Thank you. Might as well let it take.
Everyone's like, happy birthday.
I know.
I can move it. We need one more. Love it.
Yes, I was gonna say, where is it? You asked for the whole thing? Everything. Put it wherever you
This was in all the
what you survive on.
it tastes like Velcro.
No. The best part is it's one ingredient. Yes, ma'am, she's like, I got it.
You didn't see her when she was getting the bladder? She was all like zooming in and out with her hands. I was like,
Stop.
alright, so we just finished eating at Nikki Beach and we're such a good fan of it. And we're just taking a stroll to burn off 5 calories.
Right now, the fuck? No bad, no bad.
And now we're just gonna walk back and pay for the meal. And I don't know what we're doing next, but this has been so fun. It's so cute out here. I love Miami. Miami! Miami! What did you guys get? I'm like, this is
Happy birthday. Got the vodka free.
like, this is so cute.
I got the Cheers. Happy birthday.
Enjoy your lady.
Yes, thank you so much.
Good?
Yeah,
Here.
I like it. You got it?
Because I'm my trainer said.
Oh no!